How to create a group on TikTok. So here you learn how to create a group chat on TikTok. If you want to create a group chat with your loyal followers on TikTok, or you want to have a group chat with a like-minded fellow on TikTok, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create a group chat in TikTok, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. Then click on the inbox button on the notification, whether you're on the home screen or you are on your profile page. Just go ahead and click on the inbox icon. Now, once you tap the inbox icon, then you have access to your inbox on TikTok just like this. Now, go ahead and click on this group icon at top left. Then you should see new group. Now, to create group with people on your list, just select like this the name of people you have on the page or the number of followers you have on the page. Then click on start group chat. Once you hit start group chat, then you should see a group chat created for you. You see that? Then I have a total number of 3 members on the group chat. Here you can rename the group chat. You can add members to the group chat. You can also cheer your group member. You see that? Then continue to the top right to mute notifications, pin to top, approval required to join, and the rest like that. You can also leave group chat, any group chat. See that? So that is basically how to create a group chat on TikTok. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.